Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about the room area. I will going to finish about the Archi element item in under Archi ribbon. So let's get started. So this I call it the new project from here. If you click on the new, then it will be pop up to you. Anything you can choose what you are gonna create the model. Okay, usually I use about the construction template. The construction template, everything is included: archi element, structural element, MEP element, mechanical, electrical system, everything is included in here. Some template is already there. Okay, I will click on this, the construction template, click OK. As you see, the level 0, and you can go to the level 1 also. Either you want to go level 1 and level 0, anywhere you want to see. This is about is not the floor, the boundary. That is a view cross region. If you don't want to see it, just uncheck. Okay, so I was going to create about, okay, before I will talk about the room and separator, room tag, area, everything. Before we talk about, we might need the floor and the wall. Okay, going to start right now. Is there any whatever the element, whatever the material is, doesn't matter. So that the reason I will show you about the room and area. I will create some form is level 1. Click OK. I create the wall. The wall here is I choose about the exterior wall. I will close about this. Okay, I will go closer to the level 1, level 0 to level 1, up to level 1. Okay, I will close it, and somehow I will close right now. Okay, somehow I click this guy, this, whatever this. Okay, so I will make it open it from this somehow. Then you can see what is the difference between here. Then okay, right click, you want to create the same element just like this. This guy going to the level 1. Okay, after you create look like this, the room and the basement, everything, basement or level 1 or level 2 or whatever. So after you complete this stage, you can go to the room area. This is the room required by this architect, or you are planning, you are produce a short drawing on the plan. So architect require proper the drawing. The room number, what the room number is, kitchen room, is a living room, is master room, is storeroom, whatever the name you can create it from here. This is the room name. Don't use the only the text right down here. Use by this. This is the room number. The reason you need to create the room, that room will be used by M&E modeler. There's some calculation required for the room and area that is used by the MEP, but they are calculated about is it the room area, what is the volume or this, what is the volume of the room, and the capacity. They were calculated about the capacity for the ventilation system. So everything that's required they asking for this room. If you doesn't create any room and area here, but they have to, but it's normally it's MEP guys, they don't create themselves. They were asking to the Archi modeler, guys, please help me to put on the room and the area on there. So the area is normally, I think sometimes not asking about the area. They usually ask about the room. Okay, please put the room. So this area, somehow, okay, I show you something first. This room, if you close this, you look at it around here is like the light blue color here is highlighted because it's the closet room. This is a closet room. He will automatically create it for you. It's like this. Okay. One reason there's no tagging here because you didn't check on this. If you check on this, you can create the room here. So you see that the tagging is already there. Okay, I will close it. This room you can't create it here. There's a reason. You know why? Because this room doesn't close this. I will show you how to do this. Okay, this room tagging doesn't have, right? So I'm going to undertake and then tagging category. I think the tagging category attached by some tagging that is a room or room whatever this is a room. Okay, used by, okay, don't make it just the room again. On the tag, click on the check this room. Okay, this room doesn't have that. One thing you can do it, just escape, go into the room, is automatically or whatever. Use this room separator. You want to separate this room areas around this, that doesn't stay open. I will show you. Look at this. You're only here. This room doesn't have, because you doesn't close this the boundary. So what you need to do is just go into the boundary and close it. Just close. Okay, you create this row like look like this. Okay, for example, this one is I'm giving the name is like one single room, the room number 5. This is a master room. Somehow I give it a naming. This is storeroom. This one is a living room or whatever. Okay, our kitchen room. Okay, you look at on this room number is number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is randomly your pick the number is this is the first time that is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you can rename it. That is not big issue. That is a number, the serial number. So the single room, you look at it here is area. This area he calculated interior wall area. He calculated this. An area he will show you is 36 square meter. 36 square meter. Is a square feet here is a 390.6 the square meter. So based on this information, that is a ventilation system will be calculated or calculate like this. This area is only the square parameter only. That doesn't have height. I mean, they will consider the height or blah blah blah. This is the mechanical engineer way understand about this. Okay, but you have to provide it if you are archi or the structure or mostly for this is archi modeler. So if you are archi modeler, you have to provide this information for them. Okay, like I studied about. Okay, this one done. At that room tagging is like no. Room tagging is like this one. Tagging is already there. If it doesn't have, click on this. Okay, somehow it doesn't have on this. Okay, I will use this guy. I go to the architect. That room number 8. See that? 36 square meter, 390.6 square feet. Or room number 8. Look at this. The last number is 7. He come to the number 8. That's the thing you can do it. Okay, I will control that. I go back to this guy. So maybe this one 10, this one 10, or this one 10. Another thing is going to the area. This area is required by the architect. So when they build, this is the construction. When they build is like when they create the model, and they will need to submit to the authority. So I mean, this building, what is a close area? What is this? What is how many square meter on the one level of this area required by authority. So we have to submit to the authority submission. So they still require about this. you are working in under a key consultant, so this the thing you need to understand about it. Okay, if I click the area, it will pop up view. Do not duplicate existing view. Okay, but definitely he will be duplicated. Let's see. Before this, it doesn't have here any area plan here. After this, go. Automatically create area boundary line associated with external walls and cross reading area. Yes, look at this. Here you go. You see this like the blue area. This is the level 0 total area he will highlighting to you. Going there, level 0, and the area boundary, you can create an area boundary, what the area boundary is, look like this, or blah blah blah, and then you can create like this. This is the area boundary of your property, your model property, your property here. The submission is only this area. Okay, please stay know about that area. Look at this. Area tagging, this area tagging the level 0 according to this type. Create it, level 0, and close. It doesn't unclose it here. Okay, doesn't matter. We're going to close. Cool. Look at this. This is the whole area you created here. This area, totally the level 0 area is 293 point. Okay. I will select on this. If you are not sure this number is not clearly, you can see the dimension here, 293.020 square meter. It's a parameter here, 66280. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand the room and area, how to create it. I guess everything I created is a wall, door, everything I created for you before the previous tutorial video. And then you can step on this, you can do whatever you wanted to design the building, you can create the model using the Revit. I hope you can step anytime. Bye bye. Thank you so much. If you doubt something on the video, comment down below. I will right away to answer to you. And email me anything you doubt it. I will right away to answer you. Bye bye. See you.